The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the vast network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data. By 2025, the proliferation of IoT devices will revolutionize industries, homes, and cities, creating a seamlessly connected world. Smart homes will become more intelligent, with IoT-enabled devices managing lighting, security, energy consumption, and appliances through centralized control systems. Industrial IoT will optimize manufacturing processes, predictive maintenance, and supply chain management, increasing efficiency and reducing downtime. Smart cities will leverage IoT for real-time monitoring of infrastructure, traffic management, and environmental conditions. Agricultural IoT will enable precision farming, optimizing irrigation, fertilization, and crop monitoring for sustainable food production. The insights gained from IoT data will drive informed decision-making, improve resource management, and enhance the quality of life. As IoT expands, data security and privacy will be paramount to protect against cyber threats and ensure the safe integration of connected technologies.